This is Miss Sebastian, and today we're going to look at graphing inequalities on a number line. Okay, what are the solutions to the inequality? So if I drew this on a number line and I had 5 in the middle, I'm just going to put one number on each side. Up, if I can even write them correctly, sorry. The number that comes before 5 is 4. Okay, so I've got a closed circle at 5. The reason it's closed is because 5 is included. X is greater than or equal to 5. So it can be 5, but it's going to be greater than or equal. So numbers that are greater than 5 are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So I'm going to circle all of the numbers that are greater than 5 in green. And then all those that are not a solution, those are the ones that are less than 5. I'm going to draw squares around them in blue. Okay, negative 6 is less than 5, so it's not a solution either. Okay, this one says x are less than 3. So my solutions are numbers that are less than 3, but it does not say equal to. So I know that 3 is not a solution. Okay, I'm going to circle those that are solutions in purple. Okay, so I'm looking for numbers that are less than 3. There we go. Just 3 of them. And I'm going to put a square around those that are not a solution. So 9 is not less than 3. 67 is not less than 3. 100 is not less than 3. And 5 is not less than 3. What are solutions to this inequality? So this inequality says x is greater than 0. So that means I need to choose answers that are greater than 0. 0 is not included, so it cannot be a solution. Greater than 0, 4 is greater than 0. 19 is greater than 0. Negative 9 is not greater. 9 is greater. 12 is greater, but negative 5 is not. Which inequality represents this graph? So I know that x and 4 have something to do with it because the dot is on 4. And it says that all the x's are to the left of 4. That means they're less than. So less than, but also I see that this dot is filled in. That means 4 is included. So it's going to have that line there that x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, on this one, I see my number is 1. So I've got a 1 here. And the x's are greater than 1. And is 1 included? Well, I'll look at the hole here. And it is an open circle, which means 1 is not included. So it's just x is greater than 1. On this one, I've got x and 0. Okay, I've got 0 there. It is a filled-in circle, which means that it's something or equal to. And my numbers are all to the left of 0, which means less than. Left is less than. So x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, z is greater than negative 10. So I've got negative 10 and my numbers are greater than, so it's going to be a line going that way. And I have to choose if it's an open circle or a closed circle. So I look and see if negative 10 is included, and it just says greater than. It does not say or equal to. So it's going to be an open circle. A is less than is left, negative 2.5. So here's negative 2, here's negative 2.5 right here. So it's going to go to the left, and the 2.5 is not included. Okay, 2.5 is not included because there is not a line below the less than sign. So it's going to be an open circle. Okay, this one is also an open circle at negative 7. And L's are greater than negative 7. So all the numbers greater than are to the right. If you need extra help with this lesson, there are some links on the board.